And I am very proud of Iowa taking the lead on passing the heartbeat bill because it is time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been 45 years. 60 million babies have died. And some people are proud of the fact that they're claiming success because they've got abortions down to 1 million a year. Something has to change. You notice everybody that I've heard testify so far never talk about the baby. They always talk about the women. And I understand and have compassion for those women, but they never talk about the baby. What about the baby? The American people are ready for the heartbeat bill. We did a barn poll a little less than a year ago. 7 out of 10 Americans support the heartbeat process. 86% of Republicans support it. Get this one, 55% of Democrats support it, and 61% of independents support it. People are waking up to what it's